Okay, this cyclin is most likely to be involved in much of the following processes. An investigator is studying regulatory mechanisms of malignant tumor cell proliferation. Tumor cells are fixed and permeabilized at different stages of cell cycle. Antibodies against different cell cycle regulatory proteins are applied, and flow cytometry is performed. The concentration of one of the cyclins under investigation peaks at the end of G2 phase, immediately prior to mitosis. This cyclin is most likely to be involved in which of the following process? Okay, we have different types of cyclins. Look, what is cyclins? Cyclins plus cyclin-dependent kinases are the complex cyclin. Okay, let me write down this one kind of. Okay, cyclins plus cyclin-dependent kinases they're controlling the cell cycle. Okay, what is the cell cycle? We have in cell cycle we have mitosis and also either mitosis or meiosis, and also we have interphase. Interphase has three steps. G1, which is the phase that cell make its organelles distinct, and S, during S phase the cell makes their DNA and chromatin, and G2 phase the cell prepare itself for the making by increasing the energy, the required protein for the mitosis. Okay, we have these stages of the cell cycle in the cell cycle. Okay, I will write down here. Okay, this is the M phase. This is G1. This is S, G1, and this is G2. Okay, I know these cyclins. It's not only one cyclin. There is cyclin C, D, E, B, A. There are different types of cyclin. You know, one of the cyclins that peaks at the end of G2 and verified at peaks at the end of G2. You know, this one of the cyclins that peaks at the end of G2. In the concentration of that cyclin increases at the end of G2 at a high level. At its high level, it's cyclin B. This cyclin B does one thing: promotes from G2 to M, and also verify that DNA replication is completed. That is cyclin B. Cyclin B peaks at the end of G2 phase. It has two functions: verifies that DNA replication is complete, and also this cyclin B with its CDK complex promotes G2 to M phase. That is cyclin B. Okay, we have also another type of cyclins. For example, cyclin E. Cyclin E restarts, you know, from G0 to G1. Restarts the reinitiate the cell cycle. That's not here. Also, we have cyclin C. Cyclin C with CDK promotes from G1 to S phase, and also we have cyclin A. Cyclin A has also promotes from G1 to S and from S to G2, and we have also one more thing, that's cyclin E. Cyclin E also promotes from S to G2. I think, if I'm not wrong, these are the number of cyclins we have in the cell cycle. This is a rare question. I think you won't be faced such question in the exam, and just as maybe a loyal question, you may memorize the cyclins A, B, C, D, E, and because they want to ask you about the type of cyclins, you know. But you have to know, you have to memorize that cyclins plus cyclin dependent kinase promotes from one phase to other phase of cell cycle. Doesn't matter A, B, C, D, whatever. And there is two protein called retinoblastoma protein, RB protein, and P53 protein. These are two proteins that inhibit from G1 to S phase. They inhibit the cell cycle. They are tumor suppressor proteins. Just you have to memorize this one. I think these cyclin A, B, C, D, that's too much. And this question is a little bit really low yield. Okay, the right option is here, choice D.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.